Bam. Guys, before we get started with our let's try, I want to go ahead and show you something that I love, This is my lunchbox. It's super cool because not only does it have a green ring, but it's a double-decker lunchbox. So tomorrow for breakfast, I will be having lasagna. What I love about this bowl is that if you don't want your breakfast lasagna getting mixed in with your lunch lasagna, it's perfect. But trust me, it's worth it to separate your lasagnas so they don't mix, they don't mingle. That's it. Guys, today's challenge is gonna be one that I've been wanting to try since I was little, like little. Physically not little, but emotionally, in my heart, I was little. If you, like me, were a fan of Cartoon Network back when it was its prime, you were very aware of the show Ed, Edd, and Eddy. Today we're gonna be doing that challenge. The Ed, Edd, and Eddy challenge / Jawbreaker challenge. And if you remember Ed and Eddy, one of the biggest themes was the jawbreakers, the candies, the big old, you stick in the mouth and they were like, ah. They would go out on adventures, they would do these random entrepreneurial startups, and they try to get money in so that they can go ahead and buy this candy. I found the candy. Let's give it a try. Yeah, I know this doesn't seem too big like the Jawbreaker's big, but remember, I'm not animated, okay? I'm not drawn, I'm not a cartoon. My mouth can only open so wide. This thing's, it's actually a really cool camera. Stop looking at me, camera. Look at the Jawbreaker, camera. Fashion. Boom, I think there we go, right? So let's go ahead and give this a try. Wait, idiot over here didn't even stretch. Oh, you know, there actually is jaw exercises. In case you have a fat face, I think I'm stretched enough. Let's just do the challenge. Oh. I mean, it has a good taste. It tastes like candy. As I thought, you can't really bite into this. And it's starting to hurt my jaw. But you won't break me. What that mouth do? Edit that out. St. Patty's Day, I started with the strategy of just let it sit there. But all the saliva is collecting at the bottom. Don't get me wrong, it's delicious saliva. But my jaw's starting to hurt. Who would even eat these? It's here. This is called the Big Bruiser Jawbreaker. And it has 120 calories per serving. And there's 4 servings. How are you gonna cut this in 4s? You're not gonna put this in a bag and be like, oh, I'll eat the rest later. No. What? Is it ridiculous? we finally got it down to a different color. It's a little mixture of white with touches of green, but mostly it looks orange. The level of pain that my jaw is in, 4. It hurts. But we ain't giving up. Just maybe taking a break. No breaks. I'm gonna have little jaw muscles and be like, whoa, you must work out your jaw. You better believe I do. Butter toast. So it's day 12 and this thing is still not gone down. It's now orange. It looks like the sun. My jaw hurts so bad. Like the pain from my jaw has moved from my jaw to my ears. And this one right here, there's gonna be 6 packs, 8 packs. I'm cramping. Cramp. It is now day 34. And it's starting to change yellow. I give it to them. Their flavors are on point. I tasted the lime, I tasted the orange, and now I'm tasting the lemon. It hurts. I'm just gonna have to talk like this from now on. Hello everyone. Mwah. 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 So, it's day 93, and we're getting there. We're reaching the last layers. At this point, we've reached the potential choking hazard time frame. Now that it's small enough to fit in my cheek, we have to be careful. Day 102, and we're going right back to yellow. My mouth is cut up. Like, it's so raw inside. Ed boy! Day 115. The yellow is finally coming off, and it looks like we're heading into, it's white right now, but we're heading into blue. I really hope it's blue. Now myself, I think it's ready to be bitten into. Let's finish the video here. Okay. It's not happening. The good news is they gave us a new flavor. The bad news, I feel like the top of my mouth or the roof of my mouth is bleeding. So this might just be pink inside, or it might be my blood. Either way, we're already hitting this strawberry peachy flavor. Ready? I'm ready. I've been ready. Tastes like chalk. If you enjoyed the video, if you liked it, if you found it entertaining, even if you found it weird, strange, different, odd, whatever, guys, please show your support. Like the video, share the video with somebody that's having a bad day or that, you know, could use a pick-me-up. Show some love. Show a smile. Guys, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Take 2.